So, what are oscillators? Oscillators are the part of the synth that make the sounds. They oscillate the waves at specific frequencies to create the notes for your music. Now, oscillators can come in quite a few different styles, depending on the synth or module selected. They can be monophonic, which means that they only play one note at a time, or polyphonic, which is more than one note at a time. You can have simple oscillators that only give you access to basic wave shapes, or you can have digital wavetable oscillators that allow you to load more complex shapes that you can morph. Some oscillators even allow you to load samples, but we'll talk about all that later. Now, oscillator controls are fairly standard across most synths. You have a pitch control, so you can pitch your signal by semitones, or octaves, or even linearly without any steps. Sometimes you'll have a unison control, which allows you to duplicate and spread the signal to widen things up. And sometimes we'll have a phase control. This allows us to choose where we would like our wave to start. Now, some oscillators allow you to modulate their frequency or amplitude from other sources, as well as giving you access to other wave shaping options like pulse width modulation, bending algorithms, or wave folding algorithms. But we'll cover those things in a later clip. For now, all you need to know is that the oscillator is the source of your sound. So stick around and follow or subscribe, and I'll show you everything you need to know on how to use these oscillators. Feel free to ask questions in the comment, make sure to leave a like. Thanks for watching.